What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. In this video, it is what top stock YouTubers to follow. This was a request to look into him. Today's episode, it is Jason Bond, so stay tuned. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned. Okay guys, this I haven't been following this YouTuber. It was a request of mine, and I have noticed I'm being popping up on a lot of YouTube ads. It is Jason Bond. So this video is solely based off his YouTube, what I can see. It's not a course review or anything like that. Again, I haven't really been following him. I've just looked into his YouTube and stuff like that. So this review is kind of just of what I can see and my initial reading of his channel. Like I said, he is advertising heavily into YouTube and to Google and other things like that, marketing his course and things. His YouTube isn't the worst, but it also isn't the best. I don't think it's going to be suitable for really any beginner traders because there's not a lot of free value content on his YouTube. Some of his advanced trades, his like screen shares, are pretty good. They're not the worst. He's kind of breaking his entries and exits. He does like to trade off a few unique patterns. They're not unique, but a few patterns I've seen. He does like to trade off some of those. You kind of see them popping up in the YouTube a little bit. But overall, I don't really think the YouTube alone has a lot of great value to offer you. I find it is quite a little bit selly in terms of his course, but I haven't done the course. I would like to get a look into his course and maybe review it for you guys. That's something I'm going to put on the list to get done. You never know, I might be a big fan of his course, so I'm not going to knock it just yet. What I have noticed about Jason Bond's style on his YouTube solely is he kind of likes to do a lot of swing trades. Of what live trades he does have up, there's not many of them, but the ones I have seen, he does kind of a lot of swing trades. So what I'm pulling from that is he's more of a swing based trader. Now I could be wrong, but that's just what I'm reading from the YouTube. I would like if he did a little bit more educational and valuable content for free on YouTube. I think that would add to his channel a lot and get more beginner people in there. I understand he's selling the course and that's his goal, and fair play to him for that. I'm not knocking him for that, but I just think maybe if he threw a little bit more educational stuff in there, beginners would be more inclined to go forward to him. But overall, he seems like his content, he seems like a strong, knowledgeable trader. But that's kind of it for the Jason Bond review. There's not, on his YouTube, there's not an awful lot we can really talk about here because his YouTube is quite restricted in terms of what we do look for. This just was a request for somebody, so I wanted to get this video filmed and get what feedback I could. So guys, that's it for this week's episode of what top stock YouTubers to follow. Again, this was a request, and I really appreciate your support so far. If you do have any requests in the future, please put them in the descriptions below. I'm more than happy to make videos on anything or look into any other YouTuber for you that you may be interested in, or any courses you're looking at doing. Once again guys, thanks a lot. If you haven't already, make sure you click like and subscribe, and God bless.